Though it may sound strange, baking soda and apple cider vinegar have been touted for their various health benefits for years. The combo can help strengthen the immune system, creates a healthy alkaline metabolic environment, and improves the appearance of the hair and skin. Many people even swear it helps with weight loss too. Though studies are small, research shows that people who consume 1–2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar mixed with baking soda before eating have better glucose control and eat far less. We still don't know for sure why this happens, says nutritionalist Vanessa Racedo. It could be because apple cider vinegar is bitter, and therefore puts you off your food. To make an apple cider vinegar and baking soda drink, nutritionist Keith Cantor, Ph.D., recommends mixing 2 teaspoons of raw, organic apple cider vinegar with 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass. It will fizz up at this point. Fill the glass the rest of the way with water before drinking. Hint, if you find the taste of apple cider vinegar unpleasant, have some orange wedges or pineapple slices at hand. The drink contains nutrients and enzymes that help your body digest your food better, while increasing your overall nutrient intake, says Dr. Cantor. It may also help with appetite control and weight loss. When the body is inflamed from environmental toxins and stress, it becomes acidic, and over time this can cause a hormone imbalance resulting in weight gain, says Cantor. Drinking an alkaline drink regularly will help remove inflammation and regulate the appetite, which may result in weight loss. It's impossible to target fat in specific areas of your body through diet or natural remedies alone, so be wary of any supposed apple cider vinegar and baking soda for belly fat remedies. Important, always seek your doctor's advice before drinking baking soda and vinegar, particularly if you have diabetes or a digestive condition that affects the mouth, esophagus, stomach, or intestines. Thank you, and may this information useful for you.